guys, this is Kyle from Skater 101. I just wanted to show you guys something kind of cool. There's this old man in my neighborhood. He comes around to ride his motorcycle for a few laps in my court, like every other day or so. But today is the day where he should come out, because he didn't come out yesterday. So I'm going to see if I can get him on video. Oh wait, I hear him. There he is. He's scary. He's really weird. Dude, back off. Dude, he's scary. I don't know what he's doing. Well, anyway, that was kind of weird. So, yeah, I've been busy, but now I'm going to be going back to school tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm going to make some videos. So, yeah, stay tuned for Skater 101 and YourMom.com 1000. I think I'm going to Jake's house, not this weekend, but probably next weekend. Oh, God. Well, I gotta go. Bye.